to you. How deep do you want to go? How good do you want to get on the piano? It's always up to us, right? Keep watching and dive even deeper. Now, we're going to apply these rhythms, but we're going to apply them to broken chords in the right hand or arpeggiations in the right hand. So let me show you what I mean first by measure 2 of this big beat sheet. If I were to clap and sing that again, it's always a good idea with rhythms to clap it and sing it. Clap it and sing it. Always take your time, piano players. Clap and sing rhythms because we are all about rhythm and groove. So we want to make sure these fingers feel really good before they get on the keys around the rhythms we're supposed to play. So measure 2, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, half note, dot, quarter. And that's all measure 2 is. 1, 2, again, go. Half note, dot, quarter. I'm going to apply that to the right hand. And remember, a broken chord sounds like this. That's an A major broken chord. Low is on its own, top 2 voices play together. So here's how I would apply that rhythm. Half note, dot, quarter, right? And if I went through our intro chord progression, it would sound like this, using that same second measure rhythm over and over. Half note, dot, quarter, half note, dot, quarter, half note, dot, quarter, half note, dot, quarter. And remember, if I add the bass in the left hand, you'll hear that chord progression even more clear. Half note, dot,